and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. Today we are going to be making scallops in a buttery, lemony sauce. I don't know. I love this recipe. I will say when you're cooking scallops, they cook super quickly, so you just have to be careful not to overcook them or they end up tasting like shoe leather, and nobody wants that, so just keep an eye on them. Mine were a little bit smaller than I like. I usually like to get the bigger ones, and with those it's like 2 minutes on each side and you're really pretty much good to go. But these cooked so much quicker, but they're still really delicious and it's so easy and quick to pull together, so I'm excited to share it with you. Enjoy!
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.